Hey there. I thought I'd show you the Christmas gift that I made for ProbablePrime this year. It does a couple little cool things, so I wanted to show it off. Um, Here it is. It's very innocuous looking. Let me switch to smooth POV. Very innocuous. It looks kind of like a tooltip actually, because it's just a cone with a wooden material on it. But this cone, if you take it and you point it upwards, it detects the rotation and pulls open a bit of a mandala here that's kind of rotating around. It's got some animation elements in there. It's got some various elements for... it also blinks when I let go. So if I let go, it kind of uses a splash. But you can see this animation that goes around. Back inside, there's some balls here that rotate out around. It's also audio reactive. It's moving to the beat here. Kind of pretty. And then I decided to put this little button up here. You can see the contrast. If I touch that button, it opens up this interface. It's got a link to my hex world. It's got the actual music that's playing here, so we can pause that. You can notice this stops bouncing up and down here to the music. It starts again. And then I also gave it a scaler, so we've got, this makes it small, the size that it already is. This makes it bigger, so if we go, we're actually inside. You can close this, you can see all around inside of the mandala. Touch that, it's small again, close it up, grab it, turn it upside down, and it's off. I made this just a cone at the beginning, and then I wanted to make it a little bit nicer. I didn't do this for the one that I gave him because, quite frankly, this is huge. It's kind of made it about 75 megabytes. But what I have here is this sort of hourglass design, very intricate designs here. Got a nice little design on the top and the bottom, and there's a tree inside. So the tree is dead on the top, and it's alive at the bottom. And then so as an hourglass, I figured, what do you do with an hourglass? You turn it over, and that brings open the mandala and has all the same functionality with the buttons and opening, closing. Anyway, Merry Christmas, Probable.